Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Disha and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. So my blogging journey has been super amazing so far. I have collaborated with so many wonderful fellow bloggers and it was quite fun. And similarly, I wanted to collaborate with some YouTubers also because it's been a year and I haven't worked with any YouTuber closely. So I really wanted to collaborate with some YouTuber, and luckily I got a message from a popular YouTuber, and you might already know her. So actually I was looking for some inspirations to transform my old t-shirt into a jacket because I really loved that t-shirt. So that's when I discovered Ishpreet of Slick and Natty. She has an amazing channel. I love her. I admire her for her creativity. She is super amazing. So she also discovered me and she sent me a message on Instagram, and together we decided that we are going to meet each other. And today is the day when I'm going to meet her and I'm gonna give her living room a makeover. So this will be a fun collaboration, and I am introducing to you my brand new series called DMD, Make My Space Beautiful. So you might have figured out what this series will be about. I'll be going to some places and I'll be giving spaces a brand new look. So if you are in Pune, you can contact me. I'll be coming over to your place and giving it a makeover. So that's it, and I'm going to meet Ishpreet now, and I'm super nervous as well as super excited because I have so many doubts whether I'll be able to pull it off or not. And but since self-doubt is the worst enemy to creativity, so I'm gonna believe in myself and let's see how it turns out. Come with me. And hey, by the way, I forgot to tell you, this video is in association with Command 3M Command, and together will bring you an amazing stuff. So keep watching. In this video, I'll be showing you some renter friendly and budget friendly makeover ideas. So keep watching. So everybody, I'm at Ishpreet's place now, and here is Ishpreet. She has an amazing channel called Slick and Natty, which is based on lifestyle, fashion and beauty. Yeah. And she transforms old clothes into something really amazing and completely new. So here is Ishpreet.
Yeah, hi everybody. So just like Disha transforms a house into a home, I transform old clothes into something new and useful. And today actually this house that we are sitting in, it's a new rented house for me. It was a fully furnished house. So I have not done anything to this living room. And Disha today is going to help me give this living room a new fresh look on a budget.
Yeah, so let's start, and I'll be adding links to her channel and social media in the description box, so do check out. So this is an overview of Ishpreet's living room. What I really liked about it is that the walls are in neutral color and sofas are beige. So I can easily infuse some colors, and this is the wall where I'll add colors. And two challenging things are, one is this off-center sofa which makes the arrangement look weird, and then this bulky side table. So first I started with moving the furniture so that the sofa is in the center, and this way I was able to kill two birds with one stone, because side table will serve as a coffee table and sofa is in the center now. Then I figured out the center of the wall, as I'm planning to hang some artwork here on this wall to introduce some colors. Since Ishpreet works with fabric a lot, so I decided that I'll give her something that reflects her passion, so that every time she looks at that particular artwork, she finds some connection. So I decided to DIY fabric wall art, and here is how we made it. So this is the scrap fabric that Ishpreet already had, and this one she bought. So nice. This looks really amazing. It has lots of color and looks like ikat. So we are gonna use these fabric and we are gonna make a wall art, beautiful wall art. We are using this cardboard. First we are gonna stick it. We have already marked the wall, and now we'll stick the fabric to the cardboard, and then we'll try to make a frame, and let's see how it turns out. So I kept the fabric right side facing down and placed cardboard over it. Then I cut the fabric, leaving 2 inches extra fabric on all the sides so that I can fold it. I stick the fabric onto the cardboard. I'm using hot glue here, though fabric glue can be used in place of hot glue. And the fabric wall art is ready. This fabric is beige and complements the sofa quite well, but to make it more interesting, I mimicked the pattern and the colors of ikat wall art. Ishpreet wanted horizontal patterns on one panel and vertical patterns on the other one. So here is how we painted it. Now to hang it on the wall, I made loop using twine and fixed it with hot glue. Later I'll use command hooks to hang it on the wall. Though I could have used command strips in place of command hooks, but since I have already shown how to use command strips in one of my previous videos, I'll share the clip in a while. So this time I thought that I'll be giving you some other ideas so that you have options to select. So yeah, here's the clip. And also, if you, in case you want to watch the complete video, that particular video, so I'll add the link in description and here in this card as well. Can you see 3M command strips? No nails, no damage, removes cleanly and no marks. So they come in different sizes, small, medium and large. This one is small, and I have 4 strips that can hold up to 1.8 kgs weight. Now I'm gonna stick that board on that wall using these strips. These are the 4 strips, and this is how you have to separate it, like this. On the reverse side you can see there is a liner. You have to press it gently until it clicks, and once it is set, remove this liner. Yeah, so we are going to put this on wall, and before that I'll just remove all the liners. And now I'll push it firmly against this wall. And once it is up on the wall, we just need to pull the frame and take it off. Leave it just like that for 1 hour, and after that you can hang your picture there. First remove this black liner and stick it on the wall. Remove this blue liner. So instead of making twine loop, you can use D-ring, sawtooth hook or any picture hanger. noticed that Ishpreet doesn't have any lamp in her living room, so I thought I'm gonna give her a nice lamp for sure. So because warm light of lamp makes so much difference. So, and since we are working on a budget friendly makeovers, so I thought I'll do a DIY, and geometric pattern pendant lamps are quite trendy these days, so I decided that I'll be making a hexagon pendant light, and this is how we made it. So for this DIY you will need wire with bulb holder and plug, skewers or dowels, hot glue, that's it. First I cut 6 pieces of 2.5 inches each and made a hexagon using hot glue. Then I made a bigger hexagon of 8 inches. After that I cut the 6 pieces of 10 inches to join the smaller hexagon to the bigger one. Then I made one more hexagon of 5.5 inches. It will be a lower part, and then used 5 inches pieces to join it with the upper part of the lamp. Now comes the installation part, and I'm using command clips here again to hang the lamp. So this is a great tip for people who live in a rented apartment, that without drilling a hole on the wall or in the ceiling, you can actually hang the pendant lamps. And here is how. I used command clips along the corner of the wall so that wire doesn't look ugly. Now it's time to style the space, and this is my favorite part.
Where's my husband? And he doesn't know what has happened to our living room, what Disha has done to our living room. So let's see what reaction he gives.
Wow,
This is
beautiful.
This is just like the cozy living room we
I know.
always wanted.
I know.
Our living room was all white before, there was nothing on the wall. But now it actually looks so cozy, and I'm really loving it, and I'm so surprised that we could do this in less than 1,000 rupees, right?
Correct.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Disha.
It's my pleasure, entirely my pleasure. I really enjoyed doing
It's
it.
also very neat. I see this all wiring over here. It
Yeah.
looks very neat. It was great work. Thank you.
So that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this makeover, and in case you want to see some more images and clips of this makeover, then head over to Ishpreet's channel and keep watching, because I'm coming up with Diwali DIYs, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, wish you all love, luck and sunshine, and bye bye.